Introducing the Tohnichi DOTE200N3-G Torque Tester, a cutting-edge solution for accurate and reliable torque measurement. Designed and manufactured by Tohnichi, this advanced torque tester combines exceptional precision with user-friendly features, making it an indispensable tool for quality control and testing applications. With a wide torque range of 20 to 200 Newton meters, the Tohnichi DOTE200N3-G Torque Tester caters to various testing requirements, ensuring versatility in your quality control processes. Equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and advanced algorithms, this torque tester delivers highly accurate and repeatable measurements, ensuring confidence in your testing results. The DOTE200N3-G allows you to select from multiple units of measure through its intuitive keypad setup, accommodating different industry standards and preferences. The innovative loading system stabilizes the wrench during the calibration procedure, minimizing errors and optimizing measurement results. Designed with portability in mind, the Tohnichi DOTE200N3-G Torque Tester is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport and use in various testing environments. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the Tohnichi DOTE200N3-G Torque Tester. Its wide torque range, exceptional accuracy, and user-friendly features make it an invaluable asset for quality control professionals and engineers. Invest in this advanced torque tester and experience the confidence and precision you need in your testing applications.